Alright, we got another one here for you. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. And it's all over 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 times 2x squared minus 7x plus 3, and that's going to be all over x squared minus 9. Whew. Okay. What I'm going to do is just rewrite all this. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. I'm going to put a parentheses around it since we multiplied the numerators. Yeah. Make sure I wrote that right. So what's the difference between those two? One's minus 7 and the other one's plus 7, I guess. Okay. It's all over but the crying. No, just kidding. 9x minus 5. And then we've got the difference of two squares. X squared minus 3 squared, even though it says 9. Let's factor. We got to factor. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Does that factor? I don't know. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to start with a 2x. Set it up. Okay, two numbers. I'm looking here at this 3. Two numbers multiply together gives us 3. Well, the only two numbers is 1 and 3. So if I put a 3 here and a 1 here, so 2x times 3 is 6x. Yep, that's it. All right, that was pretty simple. Okay, let's go through factor the 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. So I think in this time it's going to be 2x. We still have to be a 1 and a 3, but I think this time one's going to be... Oh, let's go ahead and put the x there. Oh, they're going to both be negative. Okay. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x, then minus, that's negative, okay, minus 7x, that's it. Alright. Now we're going to look at the denominator. We have 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Well, we know that we'll have to write a 2x here, and then an x. Okay, so we got a minus 5. So the only way we can do this is a 1 and a 5. And a 1 and a 5, and that's a minus 5. 1 and a 5. I think the 5 is going to go here and the 1 here. Because that's a plus 9x, that'll have to be plus here, then minus here. So that'd be 10x, or 2x times 5 is 10x. 10x minus x is positive 9x. Okay, that's right. Now we have x squared minus 9. So that's the difference of two squares. So we know it's going to be x minus 3 times x plus 3. Now what we want to do is go through, cancel out. So we have a 2x plus 1. And we don't have a 2x plus 1 in the denominator. We have an x plus 3. And an x plus 3, I should have closed the parentheses there. Okay, what else do we have? We have an x minus 3 in the top and the bottom. We have a 2x minus 1, top and bottom. And it looks to me like That's about all we can cancel out. So this thing's going to reduce down to, let's see, 2x plus 1 over x plus 5. Yep. All right. We're going to go ahead. I know it's 5 minutes has rolled by, but let's go ahead and work the last one. I've only got one left, so let's just do it. Let's just do that. Alright, what do we got going on here? I'll eventually come back and work more examples, but I got too many to work for all the rest of these sections. And this should be enough to get you going anyway. What is this one here? This is going to be, what do we got? Did we already do a division one? I think we did. We did one division one, but you know the only thing about the division is you just flip it and make it multiplication. So times 2x plus 5. Okay. What do we do? Well, I think I'm going to skip that one step where we just multiply both the numerators together. Let's go ahead and factor the 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. Let's factor that first. So let's just go ahead and do that. Well, we know we're going to have to start with a 3x. Okay, two numbers multiplied together gives us 8. Well, it could be 1 and 8. It could be 2 and 4. What else could it be? Could be 2 and 4. It gives us 8. Yeah. Let's see. If I put a 2, that's going to be 6. Oh, that's a negative 8, though. What else? 2 and 4. If I put a 4 here, that makes that 12. Let's see. Put a 4 here, that makes that a 12. And a 2 here. Okay, I think that's it right there, right? 3x times negative 4 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 2x is negative 10. Okay. We'll rewrite, since that's multiplication. Yeah, that should be it. Now let's factor the denominator. So we know we'll have to start with a 2x. Okay, two numbers multiplied together gives us 20. Could be 4 and 5. 4 and 5. If I put, let's see, if I put a 4 here, 2 times 4 is, 2x times 4 is 4x, or 8x. 8x and the 5. Yes, I think that's right. But it's got to be a negative 3. So that means that this must be negative, a minus here, plus here. So it'd be negative 8x plus 5x is negative 3x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay, that's got to be right. All right, let's cancel. We got an x minus 4, an x minus 4 in the denominator. We have a 2x plus 5, a 2x plus 5. And it looks like, Alright, it looks like this is going to reduce down to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Bam, 10 minutes. Alright, I think that's going to pretty much end multiplying and dividing rational expressions. We're going to be moving into adding and subtracting, which I feel is a little bit more difficult than this section here. So, alright, catch me there. See you in the next topic.